Hello and welcome to another tutorial here on my channel. I was awaiting the whole year what happened last week. Adobe Illustrator is now available for the iPad. Yeah, and it really has to offer great stuff from the very beginning. Today I show you some functions of the interface you can use for your vector designed graphics. Maybe you know that I love Paisley patterns, so let's start creating a simple Paisley motif for today. This is your home screen. Tap on Create New. I choose an A4 landscape format here and tap Create. So far it works like the desktop version. I start with a basic circle shape to make it as easy as possible. As you can see, the default is for creating an ellipse. To make a perfect circle, just tap the touch button with your finger. Below your selection you have a context menu with common actions. The nudge tool is default here. When you grab your object, you can move it. The selection tool is automatically activated. Change to the path tool. These are your anchor points and the context menu has changed. Tap the point you want to edit. In this case, I want to change it into a corner. Drag it to create a drop shape. With the pen tool, you can add points and edit them at the same time. Nudge them until you are satisfied with your Paisley shape. In your left toolbar, there is a color tool for each your shape and outline. Tap the double arrow to change the color between your shape and the outline. I prepared some colors here and choose one for my shape. In the layer menu, I lock my created shape to not change it by mistake. Now I create a second shape on top and inside the first one. I repeat the steps I did earlier. Very cool is the way you can delete points without destroying your closed path, something I really struggled with a lot in the desktop version of Illustrator. Here you have an intelligent delete tool for points that also keeps your shape for you as it was. How nice! The touch button has a primary and secondary option for you. The primary changes the size of your shape proportionally. The secondary, by swiping your finger to the outer edge of the circle, changes the size additionally from the center point in this context. I group all three objects. Now you have a simple Paisley motif, which you can develop further, as I did here, using clipping masks. Then you can play with the new circle repeat tool. Or the pattern tool if you want. But these features are something for another tutorial. That's all for today. If you liked this, hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel or my email list to be kept informed about more tutorials. And for more creative inspiration, watch my other video tutorials here or take a look at my website at stephaniekling.art.